Hi guys, this is Jacob again, and I'm here with my mystery box from Tron, and I already opened it for my mom because she already wanted to see it, and I was like, Mom, I want to do a review on it, but she said no, and I said, okay, fine. So I did it, so that's why it's already open. I did use this knife, it's just a regular steak knife, yeah, and they packaged it really good, so let's go ahead. Some paper, so I got it. My order form with the stuff in it, and my coupon, and do not want to show. It's $5 off for Hobbytron gift card, $5, and yeah. So then I got me my camo backpack. This is a good backpack. It's nice. There are pockets. There's a pocket here, right here for a small pocket, and then you got your big pocket. There is no water bottle holder, but I will be using this for school whenever I go to 5th grade, so yeah. And then it came with this M60A gun, 6mm caliber, and it says increase the weight. Yeah, increases the weight, and it looks like it's a Chinese type looking one. Yeah, small parts not for children under 18 years old. Who cares? So first you got your BBs by the same exact people who made the gun. They're just 6mm plastic BBs. I did test this gun out. It is kind of good, but I went like that, and it did hurt, but yeah. The BBs come in from this top that slides out, and your BBs go in, and to cock it, you hold it right here in the bottom, and it comes down to hear it click, and you put it up, and it fires. Yeah, but it does kind of hurt. I don't think it would paralyze anything besides a bird. But set your BBs in. I'm only going to show you guys how it fires, so I'm only going to put 4 BBs in. So 4 are in. Slide it down. You got to hold it back in order for BBs to come in, so you got to hold it backwards kind of, and then just go like that, and here you go. I will do one more test. Don't know if you heard that. It's kind of powerful, but it's just a cheap little revolver. Yeah. Looks kind of good. Here's the hammer. Right here, but it doesn't come down. Has the trigger. No mag because obviously it's a revolver, but then you got this part right here. That is an orange tip. Then you have your copy. Yeah, if you've heard all those bounces. So, yeah. Then it has that circle thing where you put on a real revolver. And it's just a good, cheap little gun, but it's actually good, powerful, hurts, and yeah, that's just how they are made. So, all that was left was one BB, so, oh, there's more. But yeah. So that's just my revolver. And BBs are made by the same people who made the gun. I do kind of like the gun because it's my first revolver. My first revolver. This is what it looks like on the cover. M60A. Increase the weight up over here in that corner. And on the side it says M60A and some Chinese words. And made in China. Injury caution, only for 18 years of age or older. And careful read of handling. Yeah, there was no instruction manual that came with this. Must be 18 years of age or older to purchase. Do not shoot hard surfaces to prevent something. Yeah. Always read through this manual before operating. And I only showed pictures. One where there's BBs pointing in the top, and then one of how to cock it. And then obviously everybody should know how to shoot a gun or any type of gun. So I'm gonna just go over. This was a mystery box for $9.06. That's all it cost. And Hobbytron, I like all your stuff. You guys got good deals. And so yeah, Hobbytron, you guys got good deals, good stuff, and I like your website. And Yugi, you're kind of cool. And sorry, my eye itched. And you guys, thanks Hobbytron for this awesome digital camo backpack and this awesome gun. I will keep this gun. Even though it's kind of cheap, guys, but I'm just saying. I do like you guys. You guys are kind of cool. You're cool. I have went to one of your guys' shops before, and I liked it. And so, yeah. Go Hobbytron! So, bye. See you later, guys.